Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to download and install Google Driver app in your laptop. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open your Chrome browser. So I simply open my Chrome browser. Right now at the top right corner you can find the option or icon Google Apps. Select it, and then if you scroll down you can find Driver. So open it. So after open it, you just need to click on the top right corner three dot icon and then select more tools and select create shortcut and select create. So after select it, you just need to let's back and you can see Google Driver app is here. So guys, in this way you can download and install Google Driver app in your laptop very easily. I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.